Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we will discuss how to set up Party Plus Series/Agent-wise defaults in billing. To begin, navigate to the Setup module from the main menu, then go to Party-wise Settings section and open the Setup Party Plus Series or Agent-wise Defaults window. You can either set the default type as Series, which will display the Series filter, or select Agent, which will display the Agent filter. Let us proceed with the Series type. Select the customer from the search and then choose the series for which these defaults will be applied. Here, you will see various default options such as CD, TD, SPCD, along with other discount defaults. You can also define the number of bills field. This option works as a validation check. If the party already has one pending bill, the system will not allow a second bill to be generated until the earlier bill is cleared. Along with this, there is another option called Days Limit Bills, which defines the maximum credit period, that is, the number of days a bill is allowed to remain pending before payment is required. You can also define the default price list from the drop-down. Now let us proceed with the sales bill entry. Open the sales bill window and initiate a new transaction in our series. Select the account for which the defaults are defined. As you can see, 10% TD is automatically applied to the bill. Now, save the bill in credit mode. Next, try to create another entry for the same customer. As soon as you select the account, the software will restrict the entry by generating an error message stating that the party and bill series-wise bill limit has been exceeded. Since we define that only one bill is allowed, the second bill cannot be generated until the earlier payment is cleared. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.